Do you want to make your business impossible to ignore? At Gravity Graphics, we're your one-stop shop for all things branding. Start with our custom vehicle wraps. From a single vehicle to an entire fleet, we design, print, and apply high-quality, durable wraps that boost your visibility and drive business forward. Need apparel? We've got you covered. With custom shirts, hats, jackets, we'll help you create the perfect look for your team or promotional event. Looking for a sign? Whether it's a storefront, banner, or directional sign, we design eye-catching, durable signs that make your brand stand out. Plus, we can handle all the permit paperwork for you. And yes, there is a lot of it. Don't forget the power of stickers, perfect for giveaways, labels, and promotions. They're a simple, effective tool to keep your brand in front of customers. With these services and more, like automotive paint protection and window tinting, laser engraving, CNC routing, Gravity Graphics really is your one-stop shop to bring your brand to life. Located in Jackson Hole, Wyoming and Victor, Idaho, call us today and let's get started.